I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we have our October 2019 Facetory. I love this subscription because I love sheet mask. I have an obsession with sheet mask. I'll admit it. I can admit that. So for those of you that do not know what Facetory is, we're going to go over that in just a few moments. But first, again, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings and hauls and product reviews, live streams, giveaways. We do have an active giveaway going on with our thrift bag. I will put that link down below, so if you have not entered, make sure you do so. But let's get into what Facetory is. So it says, get a box of sheet masks delivered to your doorstep every month. It's fun, easy, and an affordable way to discover the latest and cult favorites of Korean sheet masks. So there are two different plans. They have the Forever Fresh, which is what I get because you get 4 face masks, but because I get face mask in other subscriptions, this one is plenty for me. And it's only $8.90. And they have the 7 Luxe, where you get 7 luxurious sheet masks. Now that is $19.90 a month. Both have free shipping and both are and that's the price like out the door. Like I said, that's what you're charged. And you when you subscribe to Facetory, you your first month is shipped immediately. After that, they bill on the 1st and ship out based on when you initially signed up. I do have a link that I will put down below that even if you sign up for the Forever Fresh or the 7 Luxe, it's going to give you bonus masks, up to 10 bonus masks, depending on what subscription you go with. So that's really awesome. So let's get into the October 2019 Facetory. I'm wondering if it's going to have some kind of fall or October Halloween theme. I don't know, but let's take a look. Oh, calm down, calm down. Trying to run away from me. Get in there. All right, so, first we'll start. They have been including a little postcard every month, and this one is super cute, and it definitely is fall, and it even, if you look, has this is like so cozy. So it's literally like a little pumpkin on the floor. You can see some candies, and you can see a lady reading a book with her cat on the floor and a cup of coffee and a little trick or treat sign. That is so cute. So then we have our sheet that goes over all of our mask. It does give us the retail value, which I do love. So let's see what mask we got for October. All right. So this first mask is a Facetory mask, and it is called Everyday Jasmine, and it's a moisturizing mask. Oh, I forgot to read to you. October Forever Fresh. Trick or treat. This month, treat yourself to fun, skin-loving sheet mask that will have your skin feeling hydrated, soothed, and moisturized. So this is a super gentle plant-based sheet mask that aids in moisturizing and healing your skin. And it says why we love it. This mask makes our skin feel refreshed and hydrated. Any redness we had the day before went bye-bye, and our skin was left feeling velvety smooth. And this is a $3.50 value. So there's that one. All right, so this next one, this is interesting. I've actually never seen them do this before. It's from BRTC Makeover Mask, and it looks like you could have gotten a variation. You could have either gotten Empress or Bewitch. It says version will be chosen randomly. The perfect mask to use this month. BRTC's Empress masks focus on moisturizing, firming, and soothing, while the Bewitched. The Bewitch mask delivers firming, anti-aging, and nourishing properties. Why we love it, granted, we may look a bit crazy while wearing these masks, but they ensure that our skin is moisturized and taken care of. And hey, it's the perfect time to have fun with sheet masks. Grab your friends, play your favorite Halloween movie, and mask away. And this is valued at $3. So I got the Bewitch mask, ginseng berry. So apparently the mask itself looks, it has a look to it, and you can kind of see back here what the sheet mask looks like. So that's really cute. And if I did not say, that's $3. All right. Oh, yay. We got a pumpkin mask. Bling Pop Pumpkin Soothing and Brightening Mask. How cute. Keep your skin looking smooth, radiant, and plump with this pumpkin sheet mask. We love how this pumpkin mask makes our skin feel. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which prevent aging skin and brighten the complexion. Relax and sip on a pumpkin spice latte while you're at it. Cozy vibes all around. Yes, and this is $2. So excited about that. And then, oh my goodness, this is from Candy O Lady, Little Witch Candy Mask. This sheet mask gives your skin a beautiful radiance and a bit of a lift here and there. I can't read today either. Why we love it. This spooky little treat provides us with a smooth and even surface thanks to the hydrating and moisturizing ingredients jam-packed into this mask, which is collagen and peptides. This has a $2.50 value. Little Witch Candy Mask. Oh, I just realized that was like a cupcake on there. That looks yummy. All right, so those were our masks for October 2019. So we have the Little Witch. This helps with elasticity. We have the Pumpkin, which is for soothing and brightening. We have the Bewitch for firming, anti-wrinkle, and nourishing. I'm excited about that one. And then we have the Everyday Jasmine. It's a moisturizing. Jasmine flowers are known to be strong and sweet, just like you. Oh, I like that. So, yay. So, I think this is a good variety. That's the one thing I really like about Facetory is it is a variety of masks. So you can definitely, you know, target different areas and concerns all from one subscription. So, like I said, I'll put a link down below if you'd like to sign up if you have not already. And that link does get you some bonus masks with your first order. So, let me know what you guys think down below. Again, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.